it's cold and it's hard, and you come up the Grand Col Ferret and it's a hard climb. You know, you're just like grinding away.
C'est raide, ça pique, c'est venteux, c'est le Grand Col Ferret, quoi. Le plus dur, c'est le fait que la montée, elle soit pas du tout régulière. Un gros radar au début, ensuite une petite partie de relance. Puis d'un seul coup, beaucoup de chemin, trouver sa trajectoire, c'est compliqué. On commence à avoir le vent, le froid, ça devient vraiment raide.
But you get to the top and the sun is up and you can see so far, and it's pretty magical and iconic, because in the race, for me at least, once I get there, I know I can finish. It's a landmark in the race that means like, okay, I've made it through the night, I've made it into the morning, and you know, I'm gonna make it all the way to Chamonix.
The lead up into it is just the best views of the race, in my opinion. You're looking at the Italian side of Mont Blanc to your left as you're running up the valley, and the valley kind of dead ends, and you're like, I guess we're going over that.
Là, on est vraiment aux premières loges. On n'est pas au pied des montagnes, on est dans les montagnes.
Il passaggio del Col Ferret c'è sempre stato, sin dai tempi passati, quando facevano contrabbando di tabacco. Questa salita c'è sempre stata, è sempre esistita, è sempre conosciuta.
Ma sicuramente la valle di Chamonix è più popolata, e invece questa valle rimane ancora una vera valle di montagna dove si può ancora vivere questo spirito in pieno. Per me è il più bel posto qua dove ci si passa, in questo passaggio magnifico, che si vedono il ghiacciaio sulla nostra sinistra e invece sulla destra queste colline erbose.
And I remember in 2018 trying to make a phone call out of there of like, yeah, I don't want to go over.
It really is a game changer in terms of like, if you feel good, you can make so much time there. Whereas if you feel tired and crummy, that climb can just take forever and you can lose so much time in the race.
I've still struggled in that spot. It's been probably the low moment 2 times that I've done it.
Feeling good on that climb is a really good indication of how your race is going to go.
46 minutes et des bananes. Je crois que je suis loin. Je suis loin des pros.